my route ahead, going up this ridge here, onto the South Glenshiel Ridge in Glen Sheil. Pan round, there's my route ahead, and the very first Monroe I'm going to climb, and there's two others behind that. And there's the ridges leading back down to Glen Sheil. Glen Sheil this morning, misty, cold, couldn't see a thing, and I've just walked out above the clouds. Over there's the Five Sisters Kintail, and here's the Four Brothers Ridge right here. Oh, going out of focus. And as I turn round, you look all the way up Glen Sheil and into Glen Clooney, and there's just a massive bank of cloud, mist, inversion. That's the cold air that's sunk down in the glen overnight. It's -2 down there. I'm up here in warm sunshine, it's absolutely basking. I've had to take my coat off, and you can see the clouds now starting to rise as it heats up and the cold air rises. And the mountain ridges here will end up in cloud later, but meantime I'm going to head up here. Nice wee scramble. See you in a while.